Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Friday morning and I hope you guys are all doing well. The 15th of January. And we have a quick little deal for some free razors over at Walmart. Special shout out to a subscriber, Wanda, friend as well. And she sent this to me like at the crack of crow and she's like, hey, guess what? There's a really good deal over at Walmart. This is with IBOTTA, and there is a $4 rebate for these BIC Soleil razors. The limit for this is up to 5, so you can grab 5 if you wish. And it's on their premium line. And yeah, it's really great. And if you've been kind of on the fence about signing up for IBOTTA, hey, today's the day I think you should sign up. And when you submit your first qualifying receipt, you're going to be given a $20 bonus if you use my code for IBOTTA. It's in the notes because it's just a sensational app. And sometimes when they have these little rebates that are so high like this, you can get a lot of stuff for free. And it is specifically with this app, which is quite tremendous. Definitely go activate this rebate when you're in the store right at checkout. Check if you still have the rebate because this will go very quickly, probably by the end of today. And definitely scan to make sure you're grabbing the right razors. So there's this really inexpensive BIC Soleil razor, which is part of their premium line for $3.27. And Wanda was in fact scanning this one this morning with the IBOTTA app, and she's like, hey, guess what? It's in fact working. So this one is $3.27, no coupons needed. You would go pick one of these up. You would pay that $3.27 out of pocket, and then make a $4 submission to IBOTTA, making this free plus a 73-cent moneymaker. Now, the limit for this is up to 5. So if you wanted to grab all 5 in one transaction, hey, you're not using a single coupon. So absolutely go for it. And like, what a tremendous little deal for free razors. Again, I can't stress it enough. I would do this sooner than later. And double, triple check your IBOTTA app so there is no funny business, because I know that most of you hate funny business, as do I, but there's nothing better than a free razor, no coupons even needed. Now, we're going to talk about something else, because I know a lot of you are probably like, well, hey, you know what? There was a razor coupon in last weekend's newspaper, and to that, you're absolutely right. This was in the Smart Source of January the 10th, and it's a $4 off. The limit for this is 2 per transaction, per household, per day, per lifetime, so just be careful of that verbiage. Anyhow, grabbing one of these, subtracting that $4 coupon, you're going to have 73 cents of overage, so grab an iced tea or a loaf of bread or whatever you wish in the store to grab that overage, because I'm very sure most stores probably will not pay you the cash, or it'll be a manager that'll show up and it's going to be really awesome. Detect the sarcasm between the lines. Grab something for the overage, guys. So you would just be probably paying tax, make that $4 submission to IBOTTA. It's a $4 moneymaker for you. Again, as per the verbiage of the coupon, it's like 2. But if you grabbed, say, 3 of them without coupons and then used 2 coupons, you know, you're still playing with a really reasonable little deal. And just to show you guys, Wanda had a lot of success this morning. She already got her $20 back from IBOTTA, and I guess she's independently rich now. So job well done, Wanda. Now, let's just say you can't find any of these cheap razors. They have this other one that's a bit more expensive, and you know, you can either go with the Twilight or the Soleil Fancy for $4.92 for the single pack, not the double pack. And I know in the BIC line there's a whole bunch of different razors, so you might just have to root around, especially if you have that $4 coupon. I'm sure that you could find something in the store, because I think the cheaper ones might be completely cleared, because I know a lot of people have been going hard all week on that specific razor. So looking at the math for this one at $4.92, subtracting a $4 coupon from the Smart Source of January the 10th, you're left with paying 92 cents out of pocket, making a $4 submission to IBOTTA, making this free plus a $3.08 moneymaker. And the limit for this is up to 5. But again, guys, as I stated, that coupon has very strict verbiage, so you might be able to use 2 with, and then, you know, just grab the other, and then just, it'll be 92 cents for each, and just be some stores, you know, I know my specific store they'd probably grab me by the scruff of the neck and throw me out the store if I try to use 3 of these coupons. So you know what, maybe just the cheaper one is the way to do it without a manufacturer. But you do you, and let me know in the comments if there are any hiccups with this. I would do this sooner than later. And hey, free razors are the best kind of razors. And remember, this is at Walmart only. And another Walmart freebie that I saw pop up is this little tub of the Philadelphia cream cheese spread for $2.78. You would pay that and then submit it to IBOTTA and get the $2.78 back. And yes, you can do this at Walmart. As you can see, 18 hours left. Do this, guy, sooner than later because it's probably going to disappear. If you could head out first thing this morning, which is Friday the 15th, I would go and do some of these deals. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.